Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this smoky eye look, smoky liner look, and I'm going to be using the Friendcation palette from the Desi and Katie Dose of Colors collaboration. The palette is amazing. It's my favorite. I cannot say enough good things about it. I'm in love. I love how you can create a dramatic look. You can do something natural. You can do something super glam. Definitely one of my go-tos at the moment. So these all kind of swatch beautifully. I love them. There is nothing, like, I cannot complain about anything of the palette. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching the video. I will try to list all the products that I've used down below, but I do mention products as I go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Give it a like, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna prime my face real quick. I like to use MAC Prep and Prime Oil Stick, and this retails for $27. It is a moisturizing balm, and what it claims to do is it keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized throughout the day. This is really good for, you can use this on your body, cuticles. It's a multi-use stick, and I just like to use this on top of my usual skincare routine simply because it helps keep everything moisturized. Next, I'm going to apply some of the primer. It's a pore primer to my face. I'm using the Porefessional by Benefits. Ooh, why is this one? So I'm using this one. I don't use a lot of this. I simply just apply it where I need it. I do have larger pores right in this cheek area. For foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Luminous All Day Foundation. I like to use my beauty blender for it. I'm going to go ahead and just use my finger and apply the foundation because I've realized if I use this directly, if I squirt it onto the beauty blender, I tend to use more foundation, more product than when I don't. So I'm just gonna go in and start to cover up my face. And for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my favorite Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm using the color Light Medium Beige. And I'm just going to swoop under here, kind of like an eye patch. So now I'm gonna go in with a contouring stick, and I'm using the Anastasia. This is a foundation stick, but this is in the color Almond. And this is the color here. And it's just going to help me warm up my face. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender that's still damp, and I'm going to take some of my Mercier. And I'm not going to take a lot. I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. Okay, so next up I'm going to actually take the Anastasia contouring powder kit. So I'm going to take the middle shade here, ooh, this right here, and a Real Technique brush. I think this is like the final set-in brush, powder brush, I'm not sure. And I'm just going to darken up that contour. So I finished up powdering and contouring. I'm going to add some blush. So my favorite blush actually is the Urban Decay Afterglow. Is it Afterglow? Afterglow in the color Fetish. I'm actually going to take this Real Techniques fluffy, I think it's the blush brush, I'm not sure. I'm just going to take some and then right at the apples. once I place the product, the blush, on the apples of my cheeks, I tend to drag it up a little bit in just like a small little C. Just because I think it makes it look more natural. Alright, so I actually went in and I filled in my eyebrows using the Anastasia pomade in the color Chocolates. So now I'm just going to go in and use my eyeshadow. I'm going to take the color, I'm going to start with the color Necessary, and Necessary is this taupey, like beige color right there. I'm going to start with that color, and I'm actually going to use this brush here. So this is just like a fluffy blend-in brush. And I'm going to scoop myself over. And I love that the palette comes with a mirror as well, because it's so helpful if you're on the go, if you're staying at a friend's house, if you're on vacation, you don't have to worry about bringing a mirror. So I'm just going to go in with a smaller, I'll show you the difference. It's a more narrow blend-in brush, and this is going to go right into the crease. So this is a Morphe brush, the B38. Any narrow brush will do. I'm going to go in with the color Churro Brown. It's so pretty. I'm just going to take some on my brush, and I'm going to take this right onto my crease. And then I'm going to go in with the darker brown colored Jeans. This is right here, Jeans. Same brush. Right in the crease. So I bought this Revolution concealer. I think it's $7. And I don't really use it. It's not my favorite. So I use it to cut the crease or use it on my eyes as a base. So I'm going to take some of that concealer, and I'm just going to pat it into the eye, and I'm using a small little concealer brush. This is the Morphe M421, and I'm just going to start from here and just pat. I'm going to take that same brush that we used for the brown, no extra product, and I'm just going to tap. So that kind of creates a nice transition for the eye for us. And then I'm going to actually take a flat brush, and I'm going to take this. This is an old MAC brush from a holiday collection, like old, like 2007 old. So I'm going to actually wet this, and I'm going to spray this with some Fix Plus. I'm going to go ahead and use Dirty Money. I'm going to show you guys how beautiful this color is. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and place this on the lid. So after the shadow is applied, I'm going to take the same brush that we used for the brown and dig into some more Jeans. And then just darken up the area there that we may have lost. And there we go. Add some eyeliner. I kind of want to smoke it out, so I think I'm going to use a black kohl pencil. And I'm going to go ahead and use this on my line, waterline here, lash line. And then connect them here. You're also, if you're gonna do this, I suggest bringing it around the tear duct. And then right underneath, connecting it. So you're gonna look like you have Egyptian eye thing going on. But I'm gonna show you how it gets really, really nice and smoked out. So for this, you're gonna wanna use something that's very dense and packed. So I'm using this small little dense brush here. I think this is a Morphe brush too. Morphe with their cheap brushes, hate them or not, they come through. So I'm just gonna take this brush and smoke out. Now if you don't have a kohl pencil black liner, you can use black eyeshadow. I'm using the Anastasia single palette, and I'm actually going to darken this up because I don't like that kohl pencil. And I'm just going to pat in the black. Okay, so I'm going to take the same black liner and I'm going to line my bottom lash line. And I'm just going to line right against the lashes. Sometimes that will cast a little shadow. There we go. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara real quick, and then we'll put on some lashes. Okay, so I definitely went more dramatic than I was planning on going. It always tends to go this way. I'm like, I'm gonna do something natural, something neutral. So this is the final look for the eyes. I just really love how it's like a smoky look. I love the color, I just love the nice smoked out black liner. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and then I'm going to apply some highlighter. Again, I'm using the Morphe setting spray. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and highlight my face, and I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics and Fiji. Her loose highlights are actually pretty good. I did hold off and I didn't purchase any for a while because I was like, Kylie Cosmetics can't be that great. It's for teenagers, whatever. But I do use some Fix Plus on my brush. Pick up some of this Fiji, and you don't need a lot because you will see. Ooh, Lord. You see that? Yeah. Just right here. Oh my God. I think that might be too much. Too much? That is blinding. So I want to go with like a nice brown nude because I feel like you can't really go with anything else. So I'm gonna go in with this lip pencil, and we're just going to go ahead and line our lips. I'm just actually going to top this off with lip color, and I'm going to use the Morphe lip gloss or lip gloss, whatever it's called. I'm not sure what it's called. It's a gloss, but it's in the color Freebird gloss. It's actually really pretty. So this is the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I know I planned for a more natural look, and then this is what I ended up with. I do feel like the liner is taken away from the gold from the palette, but just kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what the Desi Katie Friendcation palette's all about. I personally, like I said, have been reaching for it every single day. I thoroughly enjoy every color in the palette. My go-to for now until the next big thing comes out. And yeah, so if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to, please subscribe. I will try to load more videos. I know I'm very stagnant about that. I'm like kind of all over the place, but it does take a lot for me to do the videos and edit the videos and, you know, kind of handle my actual clientele and all that stuff. So